Okay, for the second one, you're given almost all of the information you need. You're given some important things. You're given that the major axis is vertical. You're given the center, and then you're giving the lengths of the major axis and the minor axis. So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm just going to sketch a picture here. So the major axis is vertical. Sorry, that is the worst drawing I've ever done. So that means it's oriented vertically. So we're going to use the vertical equation. So let's go ahead and write it down. So that is x minus h squared over b squared. Your minor axis is horizontal here. Plus y minus k squared over a squared. My major axis is vertical and the y-axis is vertical, so we want that there. So then what we're going to do is I'm just going to label these things. So we've got our center here at 3, -2. So then we have that the major axis is 16 units long. So that is the complete length of the major axis. So that means my A value is going to be just from the center to the edge of that. So just this portion. So half of 16 is going to be 8 right there. Okay, so if it gives you the entire major axis to get the A value, you're doing just from the center to that. So you're doing half of that value. So same thing for the minor axis. It gives us that it's 14 units long. So from the center to the edge would be 7. So you can tell my drawing is majorly off, but that's okay. I just wanted to give you an idea of what that would look like if it was on a graph. So now we just plug that into our vertical formula here. So the equation. So we have our center, x minus 3 squared. For vertical, now we're putting the b squared underneath that. So that would be 7 squared, which is 49, plus y minus -2 becomes y plus 2. Feel like we're pretty comfortable with that by now. Vertical, longest length goes here. So 8 squared, 64, equals 1. And that's what we're looking for.